In this video, I will show you how to change the server banner on Discord. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, for whatever reason you want to do this, maybe you just want to upload a new server banner image, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, open up Discord and click onto the server that you want to change the server banner for. So I've actually got this one I created, just a Tech Tutor server, and once you're in the server itself, come up to the top left hand corner, click onto the server name up here, and on this drop down menu, you want to come down and click onto server settings. What that's going to do is take you to the server profile screen. From here, come over to the left hand side, and in this menu, you want to click onto boost perks. Now, because this is part of Boost Perks, you do need to boost the server to unlock the option to change your server banner background. As you can see, the option is down here, and you do need to be level 2. So all you need to do, if you don't have this, is click the Unlock with Boosting button, and then what you can do is come down, click Boost this server, and it's going to be a fee to pay to boost the server. So if you haven't yet boosted your server, go through these steps, boost your server, and once that's done, you can come back here and change the server banner. So that is how to change server banner on Discord. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.